In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Trello with your Outlook calendar. This integration can streamline your workflow by allowing you to seamlessly sync tasks and events between these two powerful tools. So without further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to make sure you're logged into Trello. Open your browser, head over to Trello's website and click on the Login button. This will bring up a few options for signing in. Choose Google if you prefer, and select the Google account you want to use. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your dashboard where you can access all your boards. Now, navigate to the Trello board that you want to sync with your Outlook calendar. Simply click on the board and you'll see an interface with various options, including a few tabs on the top. Here you'll want to focus on the Power Ups tab, which is crucial for adding integrations and extensions to your Trello board. Click on Power Ups, and this will take you to a section where you can manage the add-ons for your board. Look for the Add Power Ups button and click on it. This will open a search field where you can type in the name of the power up you need. Here, type in Outlook Calendar for Trello. This search should return the appropriate result, allowing you to add it to your board. With the correct power up identified, click on the Add button to enable this feature for your board. This small step is vital because it allows Trello to communicate with your Outlook calendar, making the integration possible. Once the power up is added, click on Settings to customize the integration according to your needs. Next, you will need to authorize the connection. This means giving the power up permission to access necessary data from your Trello account. Just follow the prompts and authorize the add-on when asked. This ensures that the sync is set up properly and securely. Once the authorization is complete, it's time to connect your Trello account with your Outlook account. During this step, the system will prompt you to enter your Outlook credentials, after which your tasks and events will begin syncing automatically. This connection allows for seamless updating between your board and your calendar. And there you have it, your Trello board is now successfully synced with your Outlook calendar. This not only helps in keeping your tasks organized, but also ensures you never miss a deadline. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you in effectively managing your projects. Until next time.